Cue the slithering sensation, the African python, a species that can grow larger than 3 meters, that's about 10 feet. Despite their impressive size, these creatures are masters of stealth, mastering urban and suburban landscapes with their secretive nature. What's their secret weapon, you ask? Well, they're practically the Pied Piper of snakes, nabbing rats with an uncanny knack. It's a win-win situation really. The python gets a meal, and we get less of the pesky rodents. But don't let their rat-catching skills fool you, these pythons are no pets. They're wild creatures, deserving respect and distance. So next time you spot a slithering silhouette, remember, it might just be an African python doing its thing. Now what's your take on these fascinating creatures? And remember, for more intriguing insights, do subscribe to our channel. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed. Moving from the urban jungle to the actual jungle, let's see another side of the African python. Scene shift. We're now by the riverbanks. Did you think pythons only roamed the land? Well, think again. African pythons are also excellent swimmers. Look at that, isn't she a beauty? Gliding through the water with such grace and ease. They can navigate the currents skillfully, using them to their advantage. And surprise, surprise, their diet isn't limited to just rats. Watch as this python catches a fish, demonstrating its versatility and adaptability. These creatures are indeed full of surprises. So the next time you're by a river in Africa, remember, you might just be sharing the waters with an African python. Now how's that for a swimming companion? Remember to stay tuned for more fascinating insights and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed.